Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Couscous. You're very welcome. This is the Get Ahead family, and here I share information on everything useful for prospective and current international students abroad. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack, especially for those packing from their country and going abroad. If you're an international student and you're going to be traveling soon, this video will help you because it's going to assist you to know how to pack your stuff, to maximize the spaces in your luggages, to prevent payment of excess luggage. I'm not saying you're not going to pay excess luggage, but I'm saying it will help you minimize how much excess luggage you pay. Why I am very passionate about this is because when I was traveling, I paid so much money for excess luggage. And I paid about $200 for excess luggage. For me, that is a lot of money because I did not prepare for that. I didn't think it was going to be that much. And I also took some things that I felt were not important, were not necessary. So actually, I have two separate videos, or should I say three separate videos, talking about what to pack, how to pack. And in the first video, I showed you guys most of the things I carried to London, and most of them was just food items, food stuff that I packed. And then in the subsequent video that I made like a year later, I kind of made a review of the previous video to show you guys, okay, what was important, what did I think was a waste of time and energy and money. So that's why I made that video. So I'm going to link them at the end of this video, so that when you're done watching this one, you can watch this one, so you have like an updated knowledge or a wholesome knowledge of what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you guys how to pack and how to pack properly, how to maximize your luggages and all of that. It's going to be a very practical video, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you're new here, you're very welcome. My name is Couscous. Do well to join the Get Ahead family. Subscribe to the channel, and when you do subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to know. I have lots of other useful videos for you guys. Do well to check around the channel, and if you have video suggestions, drop them as well, and I'll make videos that you guys want, as I always do. Also, do well to check the description box to all my videos. If you check the description box, you'll see very useful links for international students, links for opening electronic bank accounts, links for getting student accommodation, and a couple of other links to even book a personal service from me. I have all of those links in all the description box to my videos. So yes, welcome to this video, guys, and I'm happy that you're here. I'm also very excited about this video because I really love doing practical videos. It might be stressful, but I love it because I know it really helps. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get right into the video.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive.
So this is how I pack my stuff. These are my hair products, different things. I just pack them like this so that when it's time to unpack, it's easier to identify stuff and not just scatter them. Instead of putting things like this, one each into the bag, I just wrap similar items together so that this one, I know that is skincare products, skincare as well. So I wrap them like that so that it is easy to identify. These are food stuff. Remember that I told you guys about if you need to carry food stuff, you should carry this. I love this particular spice very well. I use it in almost all my meals, kitchen glory. and I always carry it no matter what. Look at that. I've told them to come and sponsor me, but they have refused. This is crayfish. I had to put them in this. Usually, I advise that if you are buying any stuff, if you are buying any containers, you should buy transparent containers so that they easily see what is inside. That is also the inspiration for these Ziploc bags. They are transparent. They need to see what is inside, and it will also help you because look, this one is also transparent. They literally see that these are food items. Because if you do not put them in transparent containers, it will also be difficult for you to identify stuff at the border in case they want to check your bag and they're like, what is this? If you don't know what is inside, that means you have to start opening it up to know what is inside. So it is advisable that you use transparent bags, to put your stuff. Okay, so I'm still packing here. Look at that. Remember I told you guys how to fold. So this is how this bag is. I haven't checked the weight yet. It's not supposed to be more than 23 kg. So I'm going to check the weight before I continue packing. This is spices. Always go with your Maggi and not cubes because you don't know where you're going to find them. So even after putting it in a transparent bag, so I've ziplocked it so it's easy and it will not pour.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that.
I always travel with groundnut and plantain chips. Who does not like plantain chips? I beg go. Always go with your groundnut and plantain chips because the groundnut you are going to see it's going to be very dusty, and I think I will buy. Maybe I should buy more plantain chips. So my people, remember that I said buy lightweight bags. So apparently my luggage is going to be more, and I bought one more luggage. I paid for. Why is it not clear? Is it that you cannot see me? Can you see me? Hello. The camera is refusing to focus. Bear with us. So I bought this bag. It has tires and it's very lightweight. Here, bring the scale. Let's measure the empty bag first, so that you see that it's very lightweight. How many? It's literally less than one. It's like one kg or something. So yeah, that works. So I'm going to fill it up to 23 kg. I'm not going to put more than 23 kg. And the fact that it has tires will help me roll it. Oh yeah, here, let's go. So because the bag is also very big, look at the length. See the length? It's big. So like I said, I'm going to collapse it. This is a collapsible bag. And because it is really big, my luggage allowance is 23 kg. So my ticket gave me two 23 kg baggage, and then I had to purchase one more 23 kg. And I need to make sure that none of my bags exceed that limit. So I'm going to collapse the bag so that I don't use too much space. So this is now the new size of our bag. We have 1, 2, 3 compartments. Yeah, let's go. This is my shoes. I put all my shoes here. Here, open it up. I put all my shoes here. Instead of scattering the shoes up and down, I just pack them here.
Does this not consume more space?
It might, but it is more organized because I think more about when I'm packing.
I don't always think about.
Nobody is talking about this Donald West album.
A new one?
Yeah, the one that came out last night. That means it's not nice.
Not yet though. Calm down till like a month later. That's how I used to, because
Even me, sometimes I listen to a song and I don't like it the first time, but when people hype, I start liking it.
Don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can.
Are you posting this video on YouTube? Yes. Why that? Your hair, your brown color. Yes. You don't leave your hair light movie. Are you wear hoodie? Are you wear hoodie?
I cannot change my clothes. I'm busy. I'm very, very busy now.
Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue.
So guys, I'm wrapping up. I have packed to a certain extent. Here, and here. So that's 4 bags. This is supposed to be my hand luggage. So yeah, that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. I was able to show you guys how to pack when you're traveling, the kind of things you should pack, the kind of bags you should use, how to arrange your items, and how to minimize or maximize space in your luggage or in your baggage. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to click the thumbs up button, like the video, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, come on now, come on. Isn't this video helpful? Didn't you like it? Didn't you like the content, how practical it was? So please, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe, join the Get Ahead family. Share this video to all the people you know that it's gonna help. You will need it to travel, especially if you're taking an international flight. It also applies to domestic flights as well. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned, watching other videos of mine. Bye. See my friend. She's refusing to talk to me. Say hi, say bye. Look at her. Parrot, come and say bye, my packing partners. Parrot. That's it guys. Love it. Love the video. Love the video maker. Love the content creator.
I love the person you show because.
Parents, come and say bye. We're buying them now. We're saying bye. Come, my child. Yes, Prayer has been of so much assistance. Say bye. Tell them to like and subscribe. Tell them, come on. Tell them to like and subscribe now.
Like
look
and
here.
subscribe.
Yeah, tell them like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Good. If you don't like and subscribe, parents coming for you. Why are you laughing? Mama, why are you laughing?